Did you know that Canadian authorities are cracking down on employers who misuse the LMIA system? Today, we're uncovering the latest compliance checks and investigations that are reshaping the LMIA process. These updates could make all the difference in your journey to becoming a successful and compliant temporary foreign worker in Canada. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Moving to Canada, your go-to channel for the latest in Canadian immigration news, tips, and guides. Today, we're going to talk about the latest investigations and compliance checks of LMIA employers. This is crucial information for anyone looking to move to Canada for work. Be sure to check out the links in the description for free resources and guides to help you through the process, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with all the latest immigration updates and tips for moving and settling in Canada. So, what's this all about? Recently, Employment and Social Development Canada, ESDC, made an important announcement regarding the compliance regime for employers using the LMIA system. LMIA stands for Labor Market Impact Assessment, and it's a key component of the Temporary Foreign Worker Program in Canada. It essentially allows employers to hire foreign workers if they can't find suitable Canadian citizens or permanent residents for specific job roles. Now here's the catch. For the LMIA process to work correctly, employers must follow strict rules to ensure they are genuinely unable to find local workers before hiring from abroad. Unfortunately, there have been instances where employers have misused the system. Some have charged employees for LMIA costs or exploited them in various ways, which is completely against the rules. To combat this, ESDC has been stepping up their investigations and compliance checks to ensure that both employers and employees are adhering to the proper regulations. Between April 2023 and March 31, 2024, ESDC assessed a staggering 8,426 tips related to potential misuse of the LMIA system. Out of these, 57% led to inspections, resulting in 20,122 inspections over the last fiscal year. Shockingly, 6% of these inspections found employers non-compliant, leading to $2.1 million in administrative penalties and bans for 12 employers. So what does this mean for you as a prospective temporary foreign worker in Canada? First and foremost, it's vital to understand the rules surrounding the LMIA process. An LMIA is essentially a report that an employer must prepare after advertising a job position for at least 4 weeks and failing to find suitable Canadian candidates. This report is then submitted to ESDC, who will review it and, if everything checks out, grant the employer an LMIA, allowing them to hire a foreign worker. It's important to note that all costs associated with obtaining an LMIA must be borne by the employer. This means that under no circumstances should an employer ask you to reimburse these costs or charge you for the LMIA. If you encounter this, it's a red flag, and you should report it using the online tools provided by ESDC. Now let's talk about compliance checks. ESDC's compliance regime includes both announced and unannounced visits to workplaces, interviews with employees and employers, and a thorough review of all relevant documentation. Employers are expected to provide all necessary information to demonstrate their compliance with the program requirements. If they fail to do so, ESDC has the authority to take strict actions, which can range from financial penalties to banning the employer from hiring foreign workers. Why is this so important? Well, ensuring compliance is crucial to protecting the rights and well-being of temporary foreign workers. When the system is misused, it can lead to exploitation, unsafe working conditions, and unfair treatment. By enforcing strict compliance, ESDC aims to maintain the integrity of the LMIA system and ensure that foreign workers are treated fairly and with respect. So what should you do if you're a foreign worker or planning to be one? First, make sure you're fully informed about your rights and the rules governing the LMIA process. Don't agree to pay any fees related to the LMIA. This is the employer's responsibility. If you suspect any wrongdoing, report it immediately to ESDC. They have tools in place to protect you and ensure that employers comply with all regulations. Additionally, always keep records of your interactions with your employer, especially anything related to your employment terms and LMIA. This documentation can be crucial if any issues arise and you need to prove your case to authorities. It's also essential to understand the broader implications of these compliance checks. ESDC's increased scrutiny is not just about catching wrongdoers. It's about creating a fair and transparent system where foreign workers can come to Canada and work without fear of being exploited. This aligns with Canada's broader commitment to human rights and fair labor practices. For employers, these compliance checks serve as a reminder of the importance of following the rules and treating their employees fairly. Non-compliance can lead to severe consequences, including hefty fines and bans, which can significantly impact their ability to operate and hire in the future. If you're planning to move to Canada and work under the LMIA system, make sure to do your homework. Research potential employers thoroughly, understand your rights, and don't hesitate to ask questions or seek help if something doesn't seem right. There are many resources available, including ESDC's website and various immigrant support organizations, that can provide you with the information and assistance you need. Moving to a new country is a significant step, and it's essential to be well prepared. By staying informed and vigilant, you can help ensure that your move to Canada is a positive and successful experience. Remember, the goal of the LMIA system is to balance the need for foreign workers with the protection of their rights and the interests of Canadian workers. By working together and adhering to the rules, we can maintain a fair and effective system that benefits everyone involved. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on Canadian immigration and tips on moving and settling in Canada. We regularly post new content to help you navigate the immigration process and make the most of your new life in Canada. Thank you for watching this video.